Today we're going back to the 90s and we're going to try the iconic blue eyeshadow look, which was really trending back in 90s. So we're gonna try that today. Also, this blue eyeshadow thing is not exclusive to the 90s. It has been around since I think the 60s, 70s, and also in the 80s. Not just one particular shade, it was literally all the shades. And the blue eyeshadow has been a highlight of the 90s makeup trends. So one more thing that was really trending back in the 90s was thin eyebrows, but we're not gonna do that. This is blue eyeshadow wasn't the only thing that was trending. It was really termed as something frosty, silver, whites, and blues were really trending. I mean, there were monochromatic looks too, or whatever you call this one. I have this new palette from Glam 21. Now, I have brown skin, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to make them pop. So I'm just gonna put on this. I am going to put this to make something like a crease on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to use this angled brush. So I'm gonna be putting it like this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to create like a gradient with the blue shadow, and it is easier to do that with this being the first one to go. I'm going to connect it with this one right here. Now we will apply the iconic blue eyeshadow. Wow, okay. Dry for a bit. Well, I heard once that if you use the eyelash curler on wet eyelashes, you can rip them off. I'm going to mix my foundation with a moisturizer to make it dewy, away from your face. The blush, also a highlighter. I'm gonna take this flat brush because I just prefer it more than the rounder blush brush. Do you know what was trending for the lips? The red and browns, quite literally, and also the nude lipsticks, lip liners. That's basically what I just did. Liner and blended it up, and also put a teeny tiny bit of nude lipstick, and this is the finished look. I'm gonna put a bit of moles. I mean, I do have moles like right here and here somewhere. Right here. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!